Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part two, and your topic is describe your experience when you changed your school. So you're going to describe your experience of changing your school
Yeah.
and all that. So it can be in the past tense.
Well, in this contemporary era, mostly people move from one place to another place for their job perspective as well as for their career. Similarly, I have been changed my school to school in my
I
life.
have changed two schools in my life. I
Cha-
have changed.
I have changed two school in my life. The first one was primary school, and second was the secondary school. I vividly remember that when I was in the sixth grade, my father got a shuffle letter from his job, and then we decided we had to move Lahore.
We decided to move to Lahore.
Decided to move to Lahore, and when we came in Lahore, I got admission, readmission in the allied school, which is was exist in the model town
Which
Lahore,
was located in Model Town, Lahore.
located in the model town Lahore, and it was a good experience for me. I remember that when I went to school first time, and everyone was stirring me because I was a newcomer in school. And fortunately, I got help from a student when I asked him where is the sixth class. Fortunately, he replied me he was also the student of sixth class. We went there in class at the same time. He helped me a lot. Apparently, I was showing myself confidently entirely, but I got
Confidently.
confidently, but entirely I got
Okay, thank
some
you.
little
Good
bit
job. Your fluency
nervousness.
is good. There are just few grammatical mistakes, but
Yes,
otherwise, overall, you spoke well. Now, we move on to speaking part three. Are children better at problem solving than adults?
undoubtedly not, because the the something special needs two things. First of all, the idea, secondly, the experience. This the youngster can do something new with the new ideas, but if I'm talking about the adults, because adults have the lot of experience, they can use their experience to do things something special. But in my perspective, it depends on the
It
purpose.
depends on.
It depends on the purpose of the work. The ways the works depends upon, like, and some is the, if the works depend
All
on the
right, thank
techno.
you very much. If people move frequently, it is better to stay in one house all the time?
In my perspective, it is not, because when the people frequently move one place to another place, the newcomers face the difficulties to live in that place. So I analysis that when people will frequently move one place to another place, they will face the new problems with respect to their decision and atmosphere.
All right, this is wonderful. Keep it up like this.
Thank
You've
you, sir.
improved a lot, mashallah. Good
Yes.
job. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.